Hello guys, your phone slows down over time after what you install today. I will tell you how we can prevent this slowdown. This way helps your phone move faster. Let's start. First thing you have to do is unlock your phone. iOS 18 does a great job manually clearing the RAM. Open your settings menu, click accessibility, then click touch. Tap assistive touch and toggle assistive touch on. A circular button will show up on the screen. When we click that circular button, we see home button. We're gonna need this soon. New iPhones doesn't have a physical home button, but we created our own. We will turn off our phone in a different way that we usually do. Now, follow the steps I told. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button, then hold the lock button until a shutdown menu appears. You'll see a difference. There is no SOS toggle switch. Now, tap the assistive touch button to open the menu. Press long the home option. That you are done. Everything correctly. To support me and my videos, please hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.